Welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sonia. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create bridal hairstyle using X-Pression bounce. X-Pression bounce comes in different colors that suits the natural human hair. X-Pression bounce weighs 160 grams, which made it easy to make a hairstyle with one pack, and the length is 20 inches, which made it comfortable to achieve a bridal hairstyle. So before I dive right into the video tutorial, I'd like to open this product for you to see the loose coil of the product and to see the visible length of the product. Hope you can all see this product. It is super soft, light in weight, but because I'm doing a bridal hairstyle, I'm going to be using 2 packs, and I'm using color 1 to achieve the bridal look. So let's start. Let's get down to business. So this is the part where you bring out the natural hair in front to cover the weft of the hair. So I'm definitely going to make a comb roll before I start attaching the extension to our hair. So I'll make a comb roll all the way to the back. My comb roll is ready. So that's the side view, the other side view, and we are ready to start installing the weave to our natural hair. So this is X-Pression bounce. X-Pression bounce is a super lengthy weave, and it's soft, has super nice coil. So I'm actually checking out for the back because all synthetic hair usually have front and back. So I'm checking out for the back and front so I won't make mistake while installing. So I already started installing, and trust me, it's actually easy just for you to thread your needle and sew the weft to the hair. So I'm going to do this all the way to the top of the head. Please, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like, share with family and friends. When you get to this part, you're going to use bonding glue to secure the front part of the hair so it will be neat at the top. So don't forget bonding glue to secure the front part of the hair so it will be neat. So I'm separating her natural hair from the hair extension. That's X-Pression bounce. Doing this is for me to flat iron her natural hair so it will slip into the weave. So I'm flat ironing the hair so it will be flat and slip into the weave so it will be even and neat. Yeah, the hair oil I'm applying is to protect the hair from breakage and to make it shine at the same time. So I'm going to brush both together to make it neat. So I section the hair into 4, then secure it with rubber band. X-Pression bounce comes in different colors, but I decided to use color 1 due to her hair color. Hope you can see clearly. This part is where I'm going to do box braid, but it has to be a loose box braid. So as you're braiding it, you spread one side of the braid. So I'm going to do this all the way to the tip of the extension. So I secured the tip with bobby pin. Yeah, so that's the spread part of the braid. So I'm doing the same process on the second ponytail. So all you need to do is to wrap from the tip to the base of where we started doing our box braid, then secure the hair with bobby pin. Make sure it's well secured so it won't fall off. It's the same process I'll do in the front part of the hair. A loose box braid, then spread the sides. That's the best way you can create a flower. But it has to be gentle so you won't make a mistake. It has to be gently made. Yeah. So you wrap the front part to the second flower. And secure firmly with your bobby pin. Yeah, we are done. So I'm gonna create baby hair in front of our hair. Like I said, it has to be gently done so it will come out nicely. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. I hope you learned from this video. You could always recreate, tag us and share with your friends. Voila, we are done.
Do you know that there is a prize to be won just by giving us your feedback on the video you have just watched? Yes, you could be one of our 10 lucky winners of the gift packs from X-Pression. To participate, please watch the video to the end, then follow the link on the description part of this video to answer a few simple feedback questions about the video you have just watched. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because only those who have subscribed to our channel may be considered for our reward. Go on, click that button now.